We're going bush. The Wirrawilla Walk. Gentle hills, well-formed track, 45 minutes return. Out here in a rainforest, so we'll see what sort of shots we can get. So it starts off with a really easy boardwalk through the forest. I wasn't expecting this. This is a bit flash. Typical rainforest, lots of ferns, but also some very big trees. Amazing ferns coming through on this walk. Near the creek down there on the left. But yeah, what a beautiful place. Look at all these ferns. Down there's the creek. Moss covered trees everywhere. Beautiful rainforest setting. Absolutely amazing, and this boardwalk goes through the whole thing. Stunning. The boardwalk just goes straight through the rainforest beside this beautiful creek here. Old trees, ferns, everything right in front of you. See if I get this vine covered in moss here. Yeah, this is where a couple of different creeks come into a junction, join together and flow on. Everywhere you look around here, there's just beautiful sights to see. Real good rainforest stuff all along this boardwalk. For most of my shots I'm using an Olympus lens on my X-H1. This is the Zuiko 50mm f1.8. I just can't stop from videoing this place. It's absolutely amazing. The creek running through there, the ferns, the boardwalk going through the whole thing. Lovely old trees covered in moss and stuff. It's fantastic. Everywhere along here there's photo opportunities. Got this beautiful old giant of the forest here. So after all that magnificent walk, the boardwalk then comes to an end here on this platform. And then you have the delight of walking all the way back through it. Can't recommend it enough. On the walk back, there's another direction the boardwalk goes. So there's a bit of a loop in the track, so don't forget to go both ways. Check out all this magnificent scenery here. So you never know what sort of beautiful nature sort of places are near you. Do a bit of Googling. I Googled Wirrawilla and found there wasn't a lot of information. Certainly didn't tell me how great the place was. So get out there and do a bit of exploring. If you like this video, click like, subscribe if you haven't already. You can even buy me a coffee, www.buymeacoffee.com/GregCarrick. This video is sponsored by no one because I don't have sponsors or ads or affiliate links. Not selling you anything. I'm just here having fun. So that's the whole idea. Pick up your camera, go for a walk and have some fun. Bye.